So there are two ways to clear your property currently available to property owners. The first is through Cal Recycle. That is a program operated through the state and Cal OES. The other option is to opt out of that program and do a local debris removal program where you would submit a work plan into the County of Los Angeles. They would review and approve it, and the city would issue a permit to authorize you to remove that debris from your property.
The high temperature from extreme fires degrades the concrete of foundations, making nearly all of them unsafe for rebuilding. Under the state-sponsored program, all foundations will be removed. Under the local program, homeowners may attempt to save their foundations. However, the foundation must be tested and meet strict safety codes. If you've chosen the state program, Cal OES will call you within 72 hours before they remove the debris from your home, and you are allowed to be on site for the debris removal process. And you can do this so that you can identify if there are valuable items on your property that you would like them to look for.
After you opt in, Cal Recycle will go in and do all the testing necessary to certify your property. And then that is given to the homeowner and they can come into the city and demonstrate that to the city. If you opt out of the program and you're going to remove it yourself, then you'll have to do all of the certification yourself and be responsible both for asbestos testing and soil testing. And then once you have that, that form is turned into the county, approved, and you'll be eligible to get your permits to rebuild your property after that.
Hi, I'm Jim Ludwig, 42-year resident here on Merritt Drive in Malibu. Obviously recovering from the shocking, horrible situation, but so far we've had good experience with the debris removal team. They've called us, they've been in touch, and it puts an end to this sort of horrible part of this whole experience to clear the lot, get our architect out here and our landscape planner so we can start moving ahead in a positive way.
As property owners get ready to start rebuilding their homes, the city is encouraging residents to incorporate fire resiliency and sustainability into their plans. Starting this spring, the city will offer a series of free workshops for residents to learn best practices in building fire-resilient homes. If you need help or have questions, please come to City Hall or call us. We are here to guide you through this process.